Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday morning. It's raining today where I live. I'm out doing errands. Yeah. So I'm not sure what else I'm gonna say. Went out to breakfast and running errands today. I don't know what to say. Yeah, I can't wait for the summer, you guys. I can't wait. I want to go kayaking so bad. And camping. And hiking. Alright guys, well, you have a great Saturday morning. It's just a thunderstorm today and rain where I live. So, be safe out there. Give this a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.